Hi, and welcome to Flipgrid instructional tutorial with Ms. Campbell. Today I'm going to teach parents and students how to access Flipgrid. Now, if you don't know what Flipgrid is, it's a free, 100% free video platform for students, educators, and families to connect, empower their voices, and just share what they're doing in life and also what they're doing in their academics. So what the teachers do or the educators do is they post a topic and the students respond in a video form. It's super fun and it's super educational as well as super secure and private because only a student with a school domain and school ID can access the Flipgrid, okay? So let's begin. First off, you are going to need a Flipgrid code to enter your child's educator's classroom, okay? So if you don't have that Flipgrid code, please stop this video, pause, stop, and go ask your educator, ask your teacher for the Flipgrid code because you need that for this whole tutorial, okay? And then come back and join us. And if you have the Flipgrid code, awesome, good job, high five. Let's begin, all right? You can access Flipgrid from any device that has a webcam. So you can access it from a phone, an iPad, or a computer with a webcam. If you have that, then Flipgrid will be easy to use for you. The first step is you're going to need to either go to flipgrid.com or go into your child's Google Classroom to access the Flipgrid. Or if your child's teacher sent it through email or Remind, that's an awesome way as well. So I'm going to show you the first way by going to flipgrid.com and entering the Flipgrid code. So now you're on the site flipgrid.com. And you're going to click this button, enter a flip code. Whatever the flip code is for your child or your student, as a student, you're going to enter the flip code. You're going to enter the flip code. And you click the arrow and go to my grid. Once you're there, you're going to see this pop up. It says 8th grade science class by Ms. Campbell. You should make sure that that's your teacher. And if that's your teacher, perfect. Log in with Google or you can log in with Microsoft. You can click remember me, but for this tutorial, I will not because I don't want it to remember me. You're going to join the grid using your school email address. It has to be a student email address. It cannot be a parent. So you would need to either sign in or create an account. And it's very simple. It takes less than 1 minute to create your Google account or sign in instead. If you are a student, you should have a student email address. So please do be sure to ask your teacher for your email address and ask for your password because every child should have a school ID and a school Gmail account. You're going to join the grid using your school email address. It has to be a student email address. It cannot be a parent. And you're logged in. Login successful. Now this is 8th grade science class. Sample topic. What are you doing at quarantine? And then you can go ahead and click the record a response to answer the question. And there you are, you're in Flipgrid, 8th grade science class. Now that's the first way. The second way is you can go to your Google Classroom and your teacher will post it in there. And see right here, if you go to your weekly assignment, tells our students that to scroll down and click the link. We're not going to go to Flipgrid because we already entered the code. Scroll down and you click the link right here and it pops you right to 8th grade science class. That's just one simple step. Log in with Google and login successful. That was easy as 1, 2, 3. Took less than 1 minute to access. Now, this is the fun part where you get to upload videos onto the Flipgrid. Your teacher has written a prompt. What are you doing at home during quarantine? Tip, remember, please go to a quiet spot and record your video. Now, if that was a little tricky for you to read, you can always click the speaker button and go ahead and listen to the voiceover. Click the play button at the bottom.
What are you doing at home during quarantine?
Ah, okay, that's what it says. So then I'll go scrolling down. Oh, I see my teacher already has a message for me. I can click play. What are you doing today? What are you doing during quarantine time? I hope you all are well, safe, and having a wonderful, blessed day with your family. And then you can click any other. All right, so that was our tutorial, our teacher giving us a prompt. What are we doing today during quarantine? You're going to click the plus sign and you're going to make a video. Hi, but your video hasn't started yet. You have to make sure you click the red video button, okay? Click the button, 3, 2, 1. Hi. So during quarantine, I'm reading lots of books and I'm going outside and riding my bike. Quarantine has been super fun with my family and making sure to keep safe, keep my distance, and drink lots of fruits and veggies, as well as drinking lots of water. I hope everyone is having fun as well and being safe. Bye. As you see, the timer is going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It stops automatically. 1. Hi. And then here is where you can review the video. Now, if you don't like the video, you can always click X and do it again, okay? But if you like the video, but you want to edit it, make it shorter, take some words out, you can double click 1 and move this over. I'm riding my bike over. You can edit and trim. 5, click pause, but you still don't like it, you can delete the clip. But if you're good to go with this clip, then you're good to go. I look funny. Then you click confirm. And then it's going to ask you for a selfie. The selfie is like your cover photo. You know how you have a cover photo for YouTube thumbnail? This is your cover photo for your Flipgrid. So get ready, get your hair done, get your smile ready, and have fun taking the selfie. And click the button for the camera. And there you go, that's your selfie. Now for the selfie, it's super fun. You can do lots of filters. You can make changes or no filters. You can add words like stay safe, everyone, so it can stay inside of it. Stay safe, everyone. You can add stickers. I like emojis and I like hearts. So I'm going to insert a heart emoji. And you know what? I feel like a princess, so I'm going to add a crown. So you can search the box. So Ms. Campbell's going a little, see, I could put the crown. And if you don't know what you're looking for, you can click clear and just scroll down. There's a lot of different things, a lot of different features that you can add into Flipgrid to have fun. And then once you're done, and you've added all the different features that you can think of, everything is cool. If you want to add a black space, a whiteboard, or none of that, and you can even add a picture into it. So if you want to show Ms. Campbell something, like you've taken a picture of something at home and you've emailed it to yourself, you can share it in the Flipgrid. That's your selfie. And then just wait a few seconds and look, it's already done. Now you can change your name. I can say Ariel Campbell, or I can just say Ariel, and I'll just say staying safe and having fun during quarantine. And then period. Submit my video. Congratulations, I am done. Now they also give you a direct link. You can click complete. You can go ahead and post your video here. It should show in a few seconds. If it does not, you can click refresh button and it will show on your Flipgrid. And that's it. That's how you create your Flipgrid. It's super fun. Lots of book, and I watch it again. You can click like, you can comment and reply to videos. And you can say, oh, and then click record. Oh, that was an amazing video. Thanks for sharing. But you don't like it, click redo. Confirm, and you got this. Try again. And then what the cool thing about this is, if you don't want to record a video, you want to insert a video, click the 3 dots at the bottom and add a video clip. When you add a video clip, it will pop up right into the Flipgrid. So let's see what I can use. Let's try this Flipgrid. And then I click next, and I do my selfie. And then if you want to add any stickers or features, feel free to do that. If you want to keep it simple, click next. and just wait a few seconds and then you're ready to go. 100% Flipgrid is complete. Ariel, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Be safe. And I can add an emoji into that and I can say hearts, submit video. And congrats, it's complete. After that, you can download your video, you can download the selfie that you have, and you're good to go. Getting lots of book, and I'm going out. And here you go. You'll see the comments. You refresh. I commented on myself, so you can click there and see the comment. Getting lots of book. That's my round of applause to her for saying stay safe, everyone. And that's it, parents and students. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you understand it and have a better understanding. Flipgrid is super simple. All you have to do is record a response and reply to your friends. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day and be safe. Bye.